Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Gracie from Vietnam Visa VOA office. Are you a Zimbabwe citizen planning to travel to Vietnam but wondering if you can get Vietnam visa on arrival or not? In this video, I'm going to tell you full guidance about how to get Vietnam visa on arrival for Zimbabwe passport holders. Let's start. As you might know that Vietnam visa on arrival works differently compared to other countries. With this option, you first need to obtain a visa approval letter, also called a Vietnam invitation letter, before traveling. Without this document, you cannot even board your flight to Vietnam. Therefore, it's important to understand that it's not a kind of visa that you can get instantly at the airport within a few minutes. The approval process must be completed in advance before departure. In the following section, I'm going to guide you how to get a Vietnam visa on arrival step by step. Step number 1. Apply for your Vietnam visa approval letter online through a trusted Vietnam visa or travel agency. The requirement between agencies may vary, but if you apply towards Vietnam Visa VOA, we will need from you the following documents. Firstly, your passport copy page. Make sure the validity is at least 6 months since the travel date. Secondly, your travel history. We will need from you the visa pages that contains the entry/exit stamp, visa stickers of other countries, and also the resident card of other countries if available. Thirdly, your flight ticket and hotel booking reservations, booking without payment if available. And finally, your travel plan in Vietnam. After that, you pay for the service fee. The agency will submit your visa request to the Vietnam immigration. Step number 2. Print your documents. After receiving your granted Vietnam visa approval letter, the Vietnam visa application form, and detailed instructions on your mailbox. All you need to do is double-check all details to make sure there is no error. After that, you can print your document before traveling. Step number 3. Get your visa stamped at Vietnam Airport. Upon arrival at Vietnam Airport, you will head to the landing visa counter to submit your original passport, your granted Vietnam approval letter, your completed Vietnam visa application form attached with a passport size photo on it, and the stamp fee in cash. It will be 25 USD per person for single entry or 50 USD per person for multiple entry. And please note that the stamp fee must be paid in cash, especially in USD or Vietnam dong. After that, you will get the Vietnam visa sticker stamped onto your passport. And now you can finally go to the immigration counter or all passport counter to get the entry stamp and enter Vietnam. Another important note from the Vietnam immigration. According to their new regulation since 15th April of 2026, all passengers arriving at Tân Sơn Nhất International Airport in Ho Chi Minh City are required to complete the online arrival declaration on the link below before arrival. Vietnamese passport holders and transit passengers are exempt. So to all the Zimbabwe passport holder who goes with visa on arrival option, please note that this online declaration is additional to the required Vietnam visa application form that I mentioned previously, which is still must to be completed and submitted upon arrival. So that's the end of the video today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and commenting below to let me know. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.